Life moves fast, and those special moments never come back. That's exactly why we need an action camera that can capture our experiences in the best possible way. In this video, I reviewed the top 5 action cameras just for you. I personally tested each one for image quality, sound performance, battery life, and ease of use. If you want to record your adventures in professional quality, this list is perfect for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which camera you'd pick. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The first thing that caught my attention when using this device was the incredible clarity it delivers, even in low light. Whether you're riding a bike at night or walking through city streets, the new sensor captures all the details without losing anything. It's a total lifesaver for night shooting. DJI equipped this model with a 4nm chip, which means keeping fast-moving subjects in frame is now effortless. You know how some cameras struggle with motion blur during fast scenes? Not this one. When it comes to stabilization, they didn't leave anything to chance either. With the 360-degree horizon steady feature, your footage stays level and smooth whether you're jumping, riding a motorcycle, or skiing. It's a game changer for vloggers and action content creators. What about audio quality? It's professional level. You can connect devices like the DJI Mic 2 or Mic Mini directly, no external receiver needed. The mic sends the signal straight to the camera, eliminating cable clutter. It's perfect for solo vloggers or content creators shooting on the go. It offers up to 4 hours of recording time, and performance remains stable throughout. Plus, it supports fast charging, so you can top up quickly during short breaks. One of the most fun features, the dual OLED touchscreens. Both the front and back displays are super vibrant, making it easy to monitor your shots even under bright sunlight. These screens are a huge help during outdoor shoots. Another standout is the scheduled recording mode. The camera can automatically wake up and start recording at a set time. No more setting alarms for early morning nature shots, this camera knows the drill. You can also overlay ride or cycling data from devices like Apple Watch or Garmin onto your footage. And before you even start recording, there are handy tools like live preview and shot marking to save time, perfect for content creators who need to move fast. Number 2. GoPro Max 360. If you're thinking, I don't just want to film what's in front of me, I want to capture everything, then the GoPro Max 360 is made for you. When I first used this camera, the first thing that came to mind was, this isn't just an action cam, it's basically a portable movie studio. Why? Because this device lets you shoot in full 360 degrees. So whether you're walking, biking, or camping in the wild, you're not just recording what you're looking at, you're capturing your entire surroundings. Now, cameras like this usually struggle with vibrations, right? But GoPro nailed it here. With Max Hyper Smooth Stabilization and Horizon Lock, your footage stays steady whether you're walking, running, or hiking a rough trail. These two features deliver pro-level stabilization you can genuinely feel, especially during intense outdoor activities. The sound quality, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated aspects of this device. Thanks to its 6-microphone setup, ambient sound is captured in a very balanced way. Wind noise, background chatter, and echoes are kept to a minimum, giving your videos a much more cinematic feel. The durability of this thing is just as impressive. With a waterproof body, it doesn't care about rain, mud, or stream crossings. And since it's also impact resistant, you can just toss it in your backpack and head into the mountains without worrying about it breaking. It's a versatile and professional tool that goes far beyond what you'd expect from a traditional action camera. With top-notch image quality, excellent audio, and ease of use, it's a must-have for nature lovers, travelers, and content creators alike. I've used it myself and was impressed on every front. If you're looking to capture every moment from every angle, this is the camera you've been waiting for. Number 3. Insta360 X5. If you want to stand out on YouTube, quality is non-negotiable. It's not just about content, your visuals need to grab attention from the very first second. That's exactly where the Insta360 X5 shines. Speaking from personal experience, this camera is an absolute game changer for content creators. Incredible clarity, rich colors, and a wide dynamic range. Whether you're filming in the mountains, on the street, or in low-light conditions, it never compromises on image quality. That's thanks to its built-in triple AI chip, which reduces noise and keeps footage crisp even in challenging lighting. Worried about shaky footage? Don't be. With flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, your shots stay rock steady whether you're walking, running, or making sudden movements. It looks like you're using a tripod, even when you're not. No need to carry a gimbal. Its 4-microphone setup combined with WindGuard noise reduction ensures your voice comes through cleanly in vlogs and outdoor shoots. Your audience hears you, not the background noise. And the best part? You record in 360 degrees. But later you can easily choose your favorite angle with the help of AI and turn it into a traditional flat video. Done. Prefer to pick a fixed viewpoint? That's just as easy. You can even export your clips with a single tap, no time wasted in editing. Just shoot and share. With up to 185 minutes of battery life, it's perfect for long shooting sessions. And it gets even better. It fast charges to 80% in just 20 minutes. For creators, that kind of time saving is priceless. It's waterproof right out of the box, so you can film underwater without needing an extra case. Plus, its lenses are scratch-resistant and swappable, so if they get damaged during a tough shoot, you can replace them and keep going. The Insta360 X5 is perfect for YouTubers, vloggers, travelers, and anyone serious about creating content. In terms of video quality, audio, battery life, and practicality, it's in a league of its own. I've been beyond impressed, and I highly recommend it. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13. It's truly like a Swiss Army knife. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, doing extreme sports, or just filming daily vlogs, you can do it all with this camera. From my own experience, seeing this many features packed into one device is seriously impressive. Thanks to the HP Lens series, you can shoot in ultra-wide or macro mode. The camera automatically detects the attached lens and optimizes the settings accordingly. This makes switching between scenes super smooth. The Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization keeps your footage rock steady no matter how much you shake the camera. Plus, with the 360-degree horizon lock, even if the camera spins wildly, your footage stays perfectly level. Incredible. And there's good news on the battery side too. It can shoot for up to 2.5 hours, regardless of whether it's hot or cold. You can also connect external battery packs or power it directly with various accessories. Audio hasn't been overlooked either. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can pair a wireless mic or headphones. Even from a distance, it can pick up your voice commands. And with audio tuning, the sound adapts to your environment whether you want natural ambience or crystal clear dialogue. You can use the camera even when your hands are full. With wearable mounts, attach it to your helmet, chest, or bike, and control everything with voice commands. Oh, and yes, it also has a magnetic mounting system. Changing your angle takes just seconds. Shooting for social media? You can easily switch between widescreen, vertical, or full-screen modes. It's tough as nails, delivers stunning image quality, and offers the kind of flexibility content creators dream of. I fully recommend it for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Insta360 X4. The first thing that stands out, 8K resolution, 360-degree video recording. You're not just capturing the action, you're preserving the entire atmosphere around you as a whole. With this level of shooting, you get both quality and smoothness at once. Thanks to the active HDR feature, colors remain natural even during changing lighting conditions. It makes a noticeable difference, especially at sunset or in fast-moving scenes. But my favorite part? The shoot first, frame later philosophy. You don't have to worry about composition in the moment, just capture everything. Then pick your angle later in the Insta360 app. With AI-powered reframing, making your video look cinematic only takes a few taps. And of course, the classic Insta360 magic, the invisible selfie stick effect. Yep, the selfie stick disappears, giving you drone-like cinematic shots. It honestly feels like you've got a whole film crew following you around. If you want, you can also use the X4 as a regular action camera. Now let's talk about stabilization. With flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, even the bumpiest footage looks buttery smooth. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, or riding a motorcycle, the video quality is shockingly stable. The camera's design is super tough. The new lens guards are easier to attach and remove, and the camera works even in freezing temperatures, perfect for winter adventures or high-altitude treks. Battery life has also seen a serious upgrade. You can shoot for up to 135 minutes non-stop, which is a 67% increase over the previous X3 model. And with fast charging support, you're back in action in no time. Today we took a look at the most powerful action cameras out there. Each one stands out in its own way. The choice is completely yours. Which one would you choose? Drop it in the comments and let's talk. If you want more content like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.